Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the speed of your video on your Android devices. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you, you see I have opened gallery and a video is being selected. Now as you can see, this video is moving really fast. So definitely this is not the original speed. We would like to reduce. This is a dash cam recording. So that's why you see it in this way. So how you can easily do this without any help of any third party app is simply this. Go to edit. It opens in the edit. You see there's an icon speed track here. I'm gonna tap. Now see how you wanna go. You wanna increase the speed from here, you can do it. Now see the time of the video. It has been reduced almost to half because now it's gonna move in twice the speed. And if I play, see it's moving even much faster. Okay, but this is not you would like, right? So if you wanna go back to half of it, you can go like this. Now it's look much better. If you wanna go by slow, you can go even slow. Okay, so in this way you can adjust the speed. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.